Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about sex determination, sex chromosomes and autosomes. What are sex chromosomes? The chromosomes which determine the sex of any organisms are called sex chromosomes, and autosomes are the chromosomes which other than sex chromosomes. In diploid organisms, the sexes are separated. Particular chromosomes or pair of chromosomes are concerned with sex determination. You already knew that in human beings there are 46 chromosomes, that is 23 pairs. Out of these 23 pairs, 22 pairs are autosomes and a pair is sex chromosome. For example, if we take the example of Drosophila, which is commonly called as fruit fly. It has 4 pair of chromosomes. Out of the 4 pairs, 3 pairs are identical, which are autosomes, and 1 pair differs, which is sex chromosomes. In different organisms, the sex chromosomes are different, specifically in males, whereas homogamity is seen in females except in birds, whereas heterogamity is seen in birds in females. In insects, roundworms, humans, the female have a pair of sex chromosomes, that is XX, whereas in male, insects have X0 chromosomes. Roundworm also has X0 chromosomes. Humans have XY chromosomes. Birds have ZZ chromosomes in males, and in females it is ZW, which is showing different chromosomes, that is heterogamity. Now, let's study about the sex determination in human beings. The sex of the child depends upon the type of parents they made and the sex chromosomes. Now, we already knew that the sex chromosomes in female is XX and in male it is XY, that is 22 pair of autosomes plus a pair of X chromosomes in females, and in male 22 pair of autosomes and XY chromosomes. Right? Now, during the gamete formation, the female produce X and X. Segregation takes place here, whereas in males, X and Y gametes are produced. Now, the recombination of these two after fertilization result into 50-50 chances of becoming male and female child. That is, XX resembles the female and XY becomes the male. Now, the X chromosome is coated by Hanking. Now, sex determination in case of honeybee. Now, honeybee, the male are X0 chromosomes, are having X0 chromosomes. Right? Now, let's understand that the females have 32 chromosomes and males have 16 chromosomes. Why? Because males have X0 chromosomes. So, X is 16 and 0 has no chromosomes. During gamete formation, the XX chromosome separate, that is, meiosis takes place in the egg and the gametes gain due to reductional division, the gametes gain each 16 chromosomes, whereas in males the chromosomes undergo mitosis and the gametes receives total 16 number of chromosomes. Now, when the X chromosomes with 16 chromosomes fuses with the male 16 chromosomes, 32 a set of 32 chromosomes are produced, which becomes female. Now, these females may be the queen bee or may be the worker bee, whereas the other 16 pair that becomes a male, which generally we call the male bee as drone. This male drone is produced by parthenogenesis. That is, the organisms are produced without fertilization. So, when fertilization takes place with the sperm, the females have 32 chromosomes and the males, they undergo parthenogenesis and form drones. In case of birds, females are heterogametic. Right? In reptiles also, the females are heterogametic, that is, the two sex chromosomes are different. Here ZW, the female, crosses with ZZ, male. As a result, the female produced two different gametes having Z and W, whereas the male produced Z. And after combination, it is also 50-50 chances, that is male and female formation of birds.